Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I wanted to show you this amazing cordless vacuum cleaner that I have. I have the lights off so that you can see all of the hair. Now don't judge me, I let it get a little funky before I made this video, but I wanted you to see how well this thing works and listen to it. Isn't that a satisfactory sound when you can hear all of the dirt and grime going into your vacuum cleaner? I also love that it's not too loud when it runs. It goes perfectly from my hardwood floor to my carpet area, from my hardwood floor to my rugs. This thing will vacuum everywhere and get every bit of dirt that you need it to get. It is absolutely wonderful. I love how well it works. I know and I am confident in the fact that I'm getting every bit of dirt off of my floor, even in the cracks of my hardwood floor. I know that this is picking everything up. I love that I can use it on all different types of flooring. Here I'm using my old nasty vacuum to sweep up the area where my dog sleeps and also where the cats like to lay in the sun. So there's a lot of funk going on here, and you can see here, this is my old vacuum, and you can see how well it picked up. And then I did the same spot like 2 minutes later, and you can see how much it picked up. Isn't that amazing? That's after I had already vacuumed that spot. So you can see how well this works. This is the charging port. It was very easy to operate. You just plug it into the wall. And it also comes with a mount that you can hang your vacuum up in a closet to get it out of the way. It also comes with several attachments so you can get every inch of flooring. So if you're in the market for a durable, functional, and beautiful new vacuum cleaner, you've found it.
And that's my point of view.